Now that you've completed your artwork, it's time to export it. In this lesson, we'll go through the steps to save and share your art, as well as the time-lapse video. To export from Procreate, tap the wrench icon and then tap Share. And there are a bunch of options for different file formats that you can share it in. I recommend, if you're sharing to social media or to the Design Cuts community, sharing as a PNG is a great option. It'll export it, and then you have additional options to save it to your camera roll or send it to various cloud apps if you have them installed, or you can share to Instagram directly from the app. PNG will give you a high quality image without a massive file size. Smaller file size that you could use is JPEG. And then you can also, if you're working in other digital software, you can export it as a Photoshop file. That's what PSD stands for. You can save it as a Procreate document, which will only be able to open in Procreate, or you can save it as a TIFF. To view your time-lapse video, you can tap the video here and then tap time-lapse replay. And if you touch a finger to the screen, you can scroll back and forth and see your work. I feel like you can learn a lot from watching your own time lapses and seeing your mistakes and how you corrected them, as well as from watching other people's time lapses. You can also share your time-lapse video by tapping Export Time-Lapse Video. It'll give you an option to choose full length, or it'll compress it down into 30 seconds. Once you choose one of those, it will export it. Depending on the length of time that you worked in the file, this amount of exporting time will change. And then again, it gives you the option to save and share this to various apps. Now, in this lesson, you've learned how to share and export your artwork along with the time-lapse video. Sharing your artwork to social media or to art communities can be a wonderful way to track your progress, get feedback, and connect with other artists. If you do share, I'd love to see what you've made. You can tag me at WoollyPronto. Before we wrap things up, we'll go over some more advanced Procreate features and tips in the bonus lesson.